Okay, so in this video, what I'm gonna quickly run through is my lab that I set up a couple of days ago. Um, I already went through the whole spiel about the Windows Azure, so I'm not gonna spend much time in that. Um, Basically, what I'm gonna work with is this 3 virtual machine that I got up right now. Those 3 are actually running my Exchange server. So if I go here, yeah, I don't have a certificate. So this is my Exchange server that's running on Windows Azure. So I'll just go through step by step and show you how that is set up. So to do that, I need to go ahead and bring up my Remote Desktop Manager and connect to my Hazelnest environment. Okay, so once I'm logged in, okay, so we're logged into the server. Basically, I don't know whether in a previous video I went over this, but my little environment here has 3 servers. It has a DNS server, which is also the domain controller and everything, and 2 Exchange server, one with a mailbox role and the other a CAS role. Let's see. Yep, and the other CAS role. So with the domain controller server, there's nothing much to go over. It's basically simple. So I'll go over to here to the first Exchange server, which is the mailbox. Let's see, where are my icons? So what I'll do here is to get Exchange. Okay, so I'm just gonna get Exchange. Commandlet not working. Actually, I think I know why. What I need to do is log off this. Log off this. See, I'm connected as Hanel Hazley here. Oh, it's done here. And Hanel Hazley here. Hanel Hazley here. So I need to just sign up and then connect as Exchange service account. So once that is up, I can do get exchange. Oof, that's what I like. And I want to do a table, I want to do name. We have row and display asterisk. Oops, what did I do? Well, need to do the hard way. Got exchange. Savaro. Savaro, and what? And you is admin. Voila. So I have two exchange server. One is a mailbox, and they're both on Exchange 2013. The latest version of 2013. So now the thing about the thing about Outlook 2013 that I was missing because I didn't know is that there is no more EMC. There you go. It's Exchange Admin Center now, so no EMC, and it's all web-based. And the URL to that's why you need a CAS in every system, because the URL to the Exchange Admin Center is actually on the CAS. It's the CAS box / ECP. There you go. And basically, this is it's a good and a bad thing, because it means you can set an external URL and you can monitor your Exchange, add users from anywhere in the world. So that's a good thing there, or a bad thing depending on how you look at it. So one thing I'm going to go ahead and do quickly on this one is just going to go ahead and add a mailbox. I'm going to go say new. I'm going to say demo. Last name user. Display name demo user. And we're going to give him the user. Password. And nope, we don't want to require password because we're not going to be logging in. And let's do more options. So database to put it in. Let's do a second database. Second store. And nope. We don't archive. We don't want that. We don't want any policy. So we say save. So now we have our demo user there. So what I'm briefly going to do, alright, so I'm going to go bring up my mail, compose the user at azure.com. www.hazelnest.com testing mail flow. Testing from external address. I'm gonna send. I'll bring up this one. Sign out. The user. So it's gonna say a new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and save. Basically, as I said, because a new box, you need to check your time zone and everything. You all know this. This is elementary. Go in there. Spinning, spinning, spinning. Mail is not yet in. That's weird. Oh, yes. Forget to mention that I am also using I'm using a spam filter, and let's see. So I gotta log on to that because ooh la la, where is this Commodore? Alright, there you go, customer. What is it, Commodore password? Alright, so I gotta come in here because I didn't open up the whole domain, so I have to come in here. One message is blocked. So what I need to do is first incoming. Oh, let me do outgoing. Okay, the outgoing is all set. Let me see. Why is this recipient? The user. If you do this, incoming. Yeah, if you do a search in the log here, you see that it's been rejected a known address destination, which means that I will have to. Is it local user? Yeah, have to add the user. And once that is done, it will take a while, but I can also go here and say log search. So once that is set up, just have to wait for everything to take its course. Yeah, I'll keep checking it. what I can do is actually just send another email. Haha. Yeah, so let's do that. Let's go back here. This came back, it was blocked. Haha. Just this. It's the reply. You know what? Let's do a new one just to make sure. Do this to this address, from that address. Test mail flow to testing mail flow after adding address to spam filter. Voila. So the message is gone. Let's go back to demo user. So after a few minutes, let's see. This one's supposed to go because I've whitelisted it, but for some reason it's still stuck. But demo user, okay, there you go. Mail is in there, and so I do a reply. Got it, dude. Thanks. And then I send. Few minutes go, few minutes go, few minutes go. It takes a while because it goes through a whole bunch of stuff, but it takes a while. What? Didn't I send it? Ah, it's taking a while. Jeez. Yeah, it takes a while. So while it's going, actually, let's see if we can. Let's see if we can get it here. Exchange. Yeah, let's see if we can bring up the queues. See if we can see it pending. That'll be good. Yep, there you go. It's pending. So let's see. Get message pipe FL. Ah, got it. Did I get it? Yep. So this is the reply test, so it's pending in the queue, as you can see. So I was saying get it to see if I can get it before it disappears, because I've had the problem whenever I try to get the message, by the time I go back there to get it, it's gone. So the message is in the queue, waiting for D. Actually, no, it's going out. Huh. So how come it hasn't gone yet? That's weird. Let's see what's the queue saying. Get queue. Okay, so it's waiting for delivering. Sorry, everything is actually slow in my environment because I'm running everything at the minimum specs. And so let's give it a few more minutes. At least there's no errors, so that should be good. Oh, actually there is an error. Let's open that up. It's not yet authorized to deliver mail from. So the problem is still with my. The problem is still with my spam filter. Outgoing. I put it there. The user. Let's see. Alright. But I need to check. I don't know if I've shut down the machine before then, but I need to check. See, the IP here is still 168.6.1.2. Yep, copy. Yep, it's still the IP. So why is the mail stuck in there? Oh, things that I love. So what's going on is that the the spam has actually blocked my. It's not on mails. It's not on connection, which we can look at now. Let's go this way. It's basically the issue with the send connector. So let's go down. Mail flow. The receiving is working fine because received from outside. The send connector is actually what the problem is right now. This one's rejecting it. Let's see if I remove this. If I take this here and I say ping, let's see what I get. Two. So let's. Let's look up. Alright, let's do this. Cancel this one out. Let's go to the top. Let's add smart host. Add smart host. Oops. One thing we can do here, get MS Exchange T. Oh. Get service. MS Exchange T. What? What's going on with my hand? Mix exchange. To change from transport to file. So this is one of the tricky things that you're used to. MS Exchange F. What the hell? I don't see MS Exchange F. Good. Restart. Yeah, there's a problem with the gateway. Please reorganize, remove, or we'll try. So let's go back here. So I change this to an IP address. Restart the front end. Let's see if did it send it again or did it pull me back? Woohoo! We're looking for test mail flow 3. So if we don't see it, what do we do? Here, let's do one more. New HHAZE at gmail.com. And subject would be testing or testing. Changing send connector. Let's send. Takes a while. Okay, it's gone. Let's go back here, refresh the queue. It's in the queue. It's out of the queue. So let's check the email. Yes. Oh, nope. It's not there yet. Oop. I was in a haste to say yes on that one. Okay. Probably a call while delivering this message. So this address. Remote server return 550. Da 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 da. Is listed as a Zen. Is that the same message I got before? Oh yeah, I didn't read it properly. So basically, my address has been my IP has been blacklisted. I don't know why. What's that all about? Let's go. Max Toolbox. See, everything was good, but they have to go blacklist me on one of them. Ugh, come on. So what I need to do is release that IP, but I can't get to the site. Let's go here. IP. Da, 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 da. This is thoroughly going through a bunch of stuff, huh? USA. So they're gonna send me a 5 code to make sure. So let's go ahead and pull up a new one here. Okay. Actually, it looks like I logged into the wrong email. I need to be here. Okay. So they sent me this code here. Select this code. Voila. Your IP has been please allow 30 minutes. So we're gonna wait 30 minutes and then we're gonna try our email flow again. Alright. So it's not yet 30 minutes, but let's see what else is going on. What did I do? MX Toolbox. Let me check this IP again. Voila, no blocks. Oops. So let's do this. Let's sign out of this one. Alright, let's do a new one. Aha. Testing after block lists. Send. Takes a while. Never had this problem before because I do not have an open relay. That's one of the things I make sure I do not have. This is the internal hub. Actually, let's do this one. See the front end. This one is all internal, and this one it's anonymous, but it's scoped down. Can only receive mails from this IP, so it's not an open relay. I don't know why they blocked it. I've never had an IP block before, but we sent one out. Let's see what comes back. It's not here. Left. Let's see queues. I left the queue successfully. Fingers crossed. Let's check. There you go. Oof. See that? The work is never done with this thing. Thought I had everything done, working right, and then new stuff comes. See, it makes HTML flows back okay. Sent it. Refresh the queue. Still has to go through the filter. Let's make sure I didn't bounce back for a new reason. Nope, didn't bounce back. I didn't see it in here, but I thought I heard it delivered. So let's go. Demo user. There you go. So basically, that's the mail flow on my little Windows Azure environment, which I have to take down because my my trial is out today. So just to the last mail flow, add user and everything on that one, and that should be the end of it. Oh, thank you for listening, and I just did use a few tools. You see everything I used, and I don't know what else. All right, have a good night.